How's it going, everybody? This is the Fan Dude 21 here once again, and today I have a 20-inch Lakewood box fan model P-223. This fan was manufactured back in 1983. This is a 3-speed fan, and it has the second generation blade set on it. Pardon for my lack of talking skills there, I guess. So here's the back of the fan. It's got a Macmillan motor in it. Pretty decent shape overall. It's got a few dings and dents for being over 30 years old, but otherwise not too bad. And without further ado, we'll go ahead and give this thing a demonstration. Start off on low today. I'm going to take it to medium. And finally, high. Now we're going to shut the fan off here. And that's about it for this video. These are pretty common box fans, so there's nothing really much to say about them. So we'll go ahead and just end the video off here. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this Lakewood P-223. See ya.